In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images in CapCut PC. If you need custom illustrations, background art, or a stylized graphic for your next edit without leaving your timeline, CapCut on desktop gives you a quick way to do it right inside the app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the tool, how to write a stronger prompt, and how to adjust the image settings so the result better matches what you want. To begin, open CapCut on your computer so you're looking at the main Project Hub window. When CapCut launches, you might be tempted to click the large blue button to start a new edit, but for this process, don't go there yet. Instead, look above your local files list for the horizontal Quick Tools row. In that row, find the icon labeled Create Image, then click it once. This opens CapCut's dedicated AI image generation workspace, which is where everything happens. Once that window opens, move your cursor down to the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Click inside the field and type your image description in as much useful detail as possible. This is the part that guides the AI, so the more specific your wording is, the better your image usually turns out. For example, rather than entering something simple like a desk, try a fuller description such as a sleek modern desk with vibrant blue neon accents, professional lighting, crisp digital art style. Descriptive keywords help the AI understand the subject, mood, lighting, and visual style you want, which often leads to cleaner and more usable results. After your prompt is ready, move over to the Settings panel on the right. First, look for the Aspect Ratio section and choose the frame size that fits your project. If you're creating something for a smartphone screen or vertical video, select 9:16. If you want a square graphic for a post grid, choose 1:1. Picking the correct aspect ratio early can save time later and helps you avoid awkward cropping. Right below that, browse through the Style Presets thumbnails. These are visual themes that shape the final look of your image. Click on a style that matches your project, such as anime or cyberpunk. This is a great way to quickly steer the artwork toward a specific aesthetic without rewriting your entire prompt. When your prompt, aspect ratio, and style settings all look right, click the Generate button on the right side. CapCut will begin creating your custom artwork, and you'll see the result load directly inside the interface. And that's it! You've gone from the homepage dashboard to the Create Image tool, entered your prompt, configured the style settings, and generated an AI image in just a few quick moves.